Well, hello, Block Buddies. I'm blind without my glasses. I mean, Blocktavian.
I'm Tyfyter. Luckily, I didn't have to take off my glasses.
Well, lucky you. And over here is Cora.
I have socks.
Wow.
So, today, for our next Beanboozled challenge, we decided we were going to do 3 rounds of Injustice. That's why I got my Robin mask. Tyler's got...
These that don't really fit,
The
but
Batman.
also I'm wearing this belt, which is meant.
He's got his Batman gear on.
Yeah.
And then I have these socks.
Harley Quinn socks.
Yep.
And so what we're going to do is kind of like what we did with Smash Bros. At the beginning. It's going to start with a round of me versus Cora, me versus Tyfyter, and then those two for the final battle.
Amata.
So, and whoever has the most losses will have to eat a bean. If we all lose one round, we all eat a bean. So, let's get this party started. Enjoy.
You know you have.
Here we go for round 1, me versus Cora.
Yee.
At the Watchtower.
Yeah. You're trash.
Shush.
Trash.
Ow.
What?
Rude.
You rude.
Here I am, the dashing Nightwing.
You're trash.
No,
Oh, look
trash
at
can't
you.
do that.
Look at you.
Oh, and look at you, you're a giant bird. You're raven.
Yeah. Eh.
Who's the fool now? Could a fool do this with a bow staff? Probably.
I'm trying to remember how to do the thing that I did earlier.
Well, you're not doing very well with it. Hee. I'm just gonna hop like a little leprechaun. Excuse you, ma'am.
How did I do the things earlier?
Ow! Ow! Ha ha! Who's trash now?
Stop it!
Stop what? Winning? Ow.
I don't want to eat a bean.
Ow! You're not supposed to fight back. It's mean. What are you gonna do? Use a special move that might beat me? No, that's my job.
No!
Bye-bye,
No.
pal.
No! You're trash! I was so close! No!
Well, it looks like I won round 1. Now it's me versus Tyfyter.
Trash.
Shush. Alright, next up, it's me versus Tyfyter at... Where should we do it? Ferris Aircraft.
Hold on.
Or... What'll it be? Wayne Manor at night. Spooky. Well, here we go. Looks like I'm back for more Nightwings, ready to win it. And then we have a schoolgirl.
Me.
Oh wait, no, Harley Quinn. I'm sorry. Ooh!
You just destroyed your own motorcycle.
Ooh! Ow! I thought I was doing well.
I just destroyed most of a rich guy's, well, some of a rich guy's house.
It's about tied now.
Kill him. Kill him first.
Ow. Oh, ow. So intense, I can't even speak. Oh, wait. I can speak. You're toast. Or not. Alright. Time to take out the I said time to take out the trash!
It looks like you're the trash or
Do not argue with me. Yeah, you did deserve that. Come over here and fight like a man. Or a woman. Or a psychopathic freak?
You're a person.
I don't know.
Get out, my one. Get out. No, you gotta win.
Oh, he wins, I think.
You're donezo. Always finish strong on a motorcycle.
You know, you didn't have to hit me so many times.
Well,
I was
looks-
already mostly dead from the first few hits.
Well, it looks like I'm not going to be eating a bean today. Let's see who will be. Tyfyter or Cora? Here it goes, guys. The final battle for the bean. An injustice.
In
So
the
it's-
Joker Asylum.
In Joker Asylum.
And there's
Let's
a cat
go.
meowing.
Distant cat meows in the background.
Not very distant.
That's me.
Here we have Cora versus
Trash.
Tyfyter. Ooh. And he is spamming the projectiles already. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the real Tyfyter. You can tell by the way that he's being the
Trash.
cheatiest person that he can be right now.
Hey, I'm just getting payback for her spamming me.
Fair enough. Alright, well, you gotta get near him so you can stop him. Ooh! Ouch! That crowbar to the face gotta hurt. Mask or none. It's looking like a pretty good... Ooh! Maybe I spoke too soon. Or did I? Who knows? Who will win? Who will die? Who will put a bean in their mouth?
Looks like me. I mean, you. Her.
Maybe. Wait. You? Him? That? Her? Somebody else. I don't know.
Ha!
Don't I have a gun?
No. You has no gun! You is Joker! You is joke! I is cat!
You're not a cat, you're Deathstroke, you ding-dong.
Same thing. Master Assassin.
Ooh! Knocked her right into next week.
I don't want to eat a bean.
Ah, you will!
Time
This
to go to
is
Bean
payback
Town.
for that booger.
Dang it, I could have used the...
Actually, it was payback for all that spamminess.
Looks like Cora's finally eaten a bean. Let's
Darn
see how
everything.
that goes.
Alright, well, it looks like it's Cora's turn to have a bean. Yay! So here we go. What'll it be? There's one bean. This is either coconut or baby wipes. Enjoy. Baby wipes, baby wipes, baby wipes.
Ah, baby wipes!
Yeah, smile for the camera. Enjoy.
Bite the face off.
That was a bit violent.
This is disgusting.
That's the taste of defeat. And baby wipes.
No, just baby one.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Suggest any games that you would like us to play. She's going to be here for another week and a half for this.
So many beans.
And there's plenty of beans left in this thing. So, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. If you didn't,
Like and subscribe anyway.
and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, Block Buddies.
Bye. Ah.